Hey friends, if you wish to delete downloaded, failed, and pending Windows updates on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to clear the contents of the software distribution folder. Now, how would you do this? So, we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script. It's in the description section of the video. Copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, and click on Run as Administrator and paste it here and hit enter. Now this is one method. We also have to delete the pending.xml file which is in the temporary folder. I'll tell you an easier way to do all of this. Simply search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup and click on OK and check all of these boxes here and then click on OK and then click on delete files and it will delete all of these files. And this will solve the problem because we have already deleted the software distribution folder, so we do not need to delete system files. But if you want to, you can do that as well. Open the disk cleanup tool and then click on cleanup system files and then click on OK and it will start scanning. At one stage it will scan Windows Update Cleanup and then it will be done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.